I am currently on my way to get the new Little Caesars Mountain Dew. Let's freaking hope that they have it or I'm gonna crash out. Hi, I was wondering if you guys have the new Mountain Dew yet? You do? Oh my gosh. Let's go. Is there a limit? 3, okay.
Alright, is that it for you?
Yep. Let's freaking go. I'm shaking right now. I'm so happy. It smells like mango. Okay, here goes nothing. It's pretty good. It tastes kind of like Voltage, but instead of like raspberry, they added mango. Overall, not bad. I give it 7 big booms. I'm not doing that.